Hello students, welcome to the channel. In the Target 750 Plus series, we look at advanced problems from math on the SAT and ACT. In this video, we look at 4 problems from percentages. Question 1. To m ounces of an m% solution of acid, x ounces of water are added to yield an m minus 10% solution. If m is greater than 25, then what is x? So you have here m ounces of an m% solution of acid, and to that you add x ounces of water. So you ultimately get m plus x ounces of the solution, and this has m minus 10% acid, right? So you can see that the acid that I had here and the acid that I had here is the same because I've only added water to get the second solution. So how much acid do I have in the first part? It is m% of m, and that should be equal to m minus 10% of m plus x, right? Because the new solution is m plus x, so m minus 10% of that. So let's solve this. So m% of m would be m over 100 times m, and m minus 10 over 100 times m plus x, right? So 100 and 100 cancels. And we now multiply. M square is m square plus mx minus 10m minus 10x, right? So m square and m square cancels. So if I bring 10m to the left-hand side, I get 10m is m minus 10 times x. So x is 10m divided by m minus 10. So the value of x is 10m divided by m minus 10, option A. Question 2. When the base of a triangle is increased 10% and the altitude to this base is decreased 10%, the change in area is. Okay, so let's say that the triangle has a base B and it has an altitude h. So the area is half times base into height. Now let's say the new base B dash is 10% increased, right? So that will be 1.1b. And the new height h dash is 10% decreased. So that would be 0.9h. So the new area will be half b dash into h dash, which is half 1.1b times 0.9h, which is half BH times 0.99. So my area was half BH and now it is half BH times 0.99. So you can see that this is a decrease of 1%. So the answer is option D. In counting n colored balls, some red and some black, it was found that 49 of the first 50 counted were red. Thereafter, 7 out of every 8 counted were red. If in all 90% or more of the balls counted were red, the maximum value of n is what? Okay, so there are n balls, right? And some of them are red and the other are black. Now, of the first 50, 49 were red. So this is 49 plus. And out of every 8 counted, 7 were red. So I have already counted 50. So I'm left with n minus 50. And 7 of every 8. So 7 by 8 times n minus 50, that would be the red balls, right? So this is the total number of red balls. And this is 90% or more of the balls counted. So that is to say 49 plus 7 by 8 times n minus 50 should be greater than equal to 90% of n, right? Because the total number of balls is n and 90 or more percent is red. Okay, so that means 49 plus 7 by 8 into n minus 50 is greater than equal to 0.9 n. So let's write on top. 49 plus 7 by 8 n minus 7 by 8 into 50 is greater than equal to, I'll write this as 9 by 10 n. So let's clear this. And okay, so 49 minus 7 by 8 into 50 is greater than 9 by 10 minus 7 by 8 n. So this becomes 36 minus 35 n, and this is 2 into 4 and 25. Okay, so 49 into 4 minus 7 into 25 by 4 is greater than equal to. Okay, so this can cancel and this is 10. So I can write this as n by 10 is less than equal to 4 into 4 nines are 36, carry 3, 19 minus 175. So n by 10 is less than equal to 21. So n is less than equal to 210. So the maximum value of n is 210, option B. Question 4, if an item is sold for X dollars, there is a loss of 15% based on the cost. If, however, the same item is sold for Y dollars, there is a profit of 15% based on the cost. The ratio of Y to X is what? Okay, so let the cost be K, right? So if I sell it for X dollars, so if my selling price is X dollars, then there is a loss of 15%. So X is 0.85K because 15% loss on K would be 0.85K. And if my selling price is Y, then I have a gain or a profit of 15%. So Y is 1.15K, right? Because of 15% profit on the cost. So Y over X will be 1.15K divided by 0.85K. So K and K cancels, 1.15 by 0.85, which is 115 by 85. So this is 17, 5 2s are 10. So 23 to 17, option A. So that was a quick drill on percent questions. If this helped, hit like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in a new video soon. Take care. Bye-bye.